Hi friends, this is Madhu. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain you how to register an employee in EPF portal and how to generate UAN number. First, you have login into EPF employer portal. Now enter employer login username and password to login into your EPF account. First step, register employee. In this case, employee before did not work at anywhere, so employee don't have any UAN number. To register employee, go member menu, then click on Register Individual tab. Here employee don't have previous UAN number, so select no option from first line. Now enter employee name and date of birth as per Aadhaar card. Select gender. Here employee is married woman, so enter husband name and select husband option in relation field. Take married option in marital status field. Enter mobile number, qualifications, and enter date of joining, and enter salary amount. Here you have to enter Aadhaar card number and enter name as per Aadhaar card. This is a mandatory field. Here tick the checkbox and click on Save button. Click on OK button. Now again click on OK button. Here you can view entered data by click on View button. UAN number is not appearing here. UAN number will be generated after approving the entered data only. UAN number will display on the other screen after approval by the employer. You can edit the entered data by click on Edit button. Step 2. Now employer have to approve the entered data. Again go to Member menu, then select on Approvals tab. Here we can see entered data by clicking on View button. To approve the entered data, click on Approve button. Click on OK button. Now entrade data approved successfully. Step 3. Now check allotted UAN number to this employee. Go to Dashboard menu, then click on Active Members tab. Here, enter the joining date period, then click the Search button below. Then the list of employees will show below with the UAN number allotted. Use this UAN number in EPF returns filing. I hope this video helps you better. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a nice day. Okay, bye.